Hi, was Samanath Small Steps Trader channel. So today also Nifty down. So it is in the structure. Whether it is recovers or let me see tomorrow how it. Okay, I will go to the video. Today's tidbit: the market is a huge crowd of people. Each member of the crowd tries to take money from others by outsmarting them. So whatever everyone expects the profit. So where does the profit comes from? So it is from other pockets. The nothing market doesn't have any money. So the market is just a platform. So the money, a profit comes from other pocket. Similarly, those who are loss is profit for another. So that is the thing. So that's why we call as a zero sum game. So this understanding we have to have. Okay, now we'll go to the video. Before the disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. So whatever I am speaking here are my views for learning purpose. Always you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. We'll go to the main video. So today Nifty minus 109 points. So this is very positively we have to look, because yesterday it was more than 400 point minus. So today just 400. Today just 100 points. So that way we have to be very happy. So that's how the market condition. So ended at 21,462. The left side gainers and losers are there. Have a pause of the video, have a glance and continue. Market statistics. So totally 2634 stocks traded. In that 1253 stock ended positively, 1288 stocks ended negatively, 93 stock ended unchanged. So this number is quite very good, because yesterday it was just 800 plus. So today almost nearly 450 numbers added in this. So this is a one good sign we can say. Similarly, the upper circuit stocks are 110 and lower circuit 68. 105 stocks touch the 52-week high and 18 stock touch the 52-week low. So this also rebound we can say. Yesterday it was less than 100, I think 93 or 97. So today the number is more than 100. So this looks good. So these are for we can say in a bullish parameters, we can say that. So let me see how it's really back to the track. Let me see tomorrow. So today who is the contributor? This 109 point negativity. Before that the positive contribution is from Sunpharma 9.38 points and ICICI Bank 9.22. So bank today more than 300 point minus, but still ICICI is positive and even Axis looks green. So this is one of the positive thing. So the negative side is if you see HDFC Bank minus 81 point. I think today almost nearly 80 percentage this single stock, more than 70% we can do, this single stock contributed. So yesterday more than 50% it is contributed. So the total damage is by only this stock. And many people take that as advantage to unwind and options and again take position accordingly. So I feel this hangama is because of that reason only. So this only stock we cannot take it as a whole market. So the next negative contribution from LT minus 14.13. So if you see the two banks or major banks are in the green, so that looks there are possibilities market will go on the upper side. So this is the fundamental factor. So and this is evident that only yesterday and today only this heavyweight make such kind of hangama. Okay, the FIA data. So until recording this video, the data are not updated, but still I given the past days data for reference. So far the FIA 9,446 crores net selling and DAA 2,378 crores net buying. So this was until yesterday. DAA was in the net selling. So yesterday they bought 4,000 crores and now becomes a net buying, and this is very important now. 10,000 crore yesterday FIA sold. I think last 6 months I never saw such a huge number. So this is totally almost this is reflecting. Hope so. Today it looks the numbers and all looks very good. Let me see tomorrow on it really comes back to the track. So this is month-wise FAD data for your reference. Okay, now we'll go to the chart. The Nifty the previous close was 21,571. There was a gap down and further it has came down. If you see 21,285 is the low. So if you see almost a 300 point negative. So if it would have closed around that, it still the panic will mount. But if you see the chart, it's almost it completely rebounded. But again couldn't it have sustained there, just minus 100 point it has closed. So 200 point is a very good recovery. So it shows some kind of bullishness actually, though market ended negatively, some bullishnesses are there. So that's what today the price movement shows us. Similarly, if you see the Bank Nifty, so previous close was 46,064 and see the gap down. So the low was 45,430. So almost 600 point it was down. This completely gave the recovery. So see the high 184, 700 point it gave the recovery. Again it's because of only HDFC. Again the Bank Nifty has came down. Again 700 point, again very good recovery. So 700 point in the downside and 350 point the recovery is a very good sign. Though market ended 350 point negatively, still the 350 point rebound shows some kind of bullishness. So we saw that ICICI Bank and Axis Bank are green. So this looks that we cannot the total damage yesterday and today happened only because of HDFC Bank heavyweight. So though this fall we no need to make a worry, because if collectively most number of stocks gone negative, then we have to be worried. But this is only single stock all this had happened. So I feel we no need to seriously take this negativity. So there are a lot of chances market will rebound. This is the fundamentally I am saying that. Okay, now we'll see the trend. So before to that we will see the max span, then we will come to the trend. So based on the monthly option contract, the Nifty max span is 21,500. I think yesterday it was 21,600, so it is now 21,500, and Bank Nifty 46,200. So max span is tentatively expected expiry point actually. Now we'll see the options contract open interest. So the highest open interest, called open interest at the highest open is 22,000, the second highest is 22,500. So this clearly shows that another only 5 days or 5 days are there for expiry. So within the expiry it won't go beyond 22,000. And similarly the downside, the highest open interest in the put side is 21,000. So the collectively, if you see that together, the highest open interest is 21,500. So somewhere market may close 100 point here and there. That's what it seems. Let me see. So now we'll see the overall trend. If you see the overall trend, I keep on saying that 21,000 is the very strong support. So today also it gave very good recovery, and you see the tail and ended with a red candle. Though market closed negatively, but this tail shows that there's kind of some bullishness. So there's probability market tomorrow will go in the green because of this tail I am saying. Similarly, if the immediate resistance now turns to this is the zone 21,750 will be the immediate resistance. So if 21,750 breaks in the higher side, definitely market will back to the track and go in the upper side. Similarly, if you see the Bank Nifty, so 47,000 was a very strong support we said in the earlier video. So yesterday itself it more than 100 point from the 47,000 it has came down, and today also it has further it has came down. But this green candle, though market ended negatively, this tail will show some kind of bullishness, so we can expect market go green. So now this 47,000 will act as a very strong resistance. If did break again, the next the all-time high would be the second level of resistance. So if this 47,000 is decisively break and closed in the higher side, there are a lot of chances it will break the all-time high. Hope that will happens. So what mid and small cap index says? Mid and small 400 just 3 point negative. See the tail, very big tail. So it says that complete recovery. See the 5-minute shot. See, wow, complete recover and sustained at there. So this is also a very huge bullishness. Similarly, micro cap index, very good bullishness, and 67 point positively closed. So both the index, if you see, it still has the momentum. You can see it still has the momentum, and there is no negative sign in the price action wise. Though there was a huge fall yesterday, but that doesn't alone change the direction. Still there is a positiveness. Okay, our big brother US market, how performed yesterday? Yesterday Dow closed 94 point negatively, and S&P 500 26 points, and Nasdaq 88 points. So 94 point for Dow is not a very big deal, just a 0.25%. And if you see, by the time of recording this video, both the UK market and Euro market are in green. Though it's not a very big bullishness, it's UK market somewhere near to flat, and the Euro market is quite good green. So this can show some kind of positiveness. Okay, this is left side is a Dow Jones chart. So still market is in consolidation zone only. 37,000 would be the strong support. Until it doesn't break, we can still expect the market will rebound. Similarly, S&P 500 4,700 is the support, immediate support. If that doesn't break, we can expect the further bullishness in this market. So if you see collectively, the moment, today's moment, today's moment looks some hope it's giving. Let us see how the market ends, US market today. Accordingly, we can expect our market also reflects. Okay, with this we stop this video. I hope this video will be very much informative to you. Please do subscribe, like and share. See you next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.